Hey beauties, it's DonnaReine here. Hey y'all, hey. All right, so today I'm coming to my newbies, okay, my newbie stylists. I want to show you or teach you how to be a personal shopper for the low, okay? How to shop for free. And it is legit, okay? So hear me out, stay with me. Okay, my newbies, my newbie wardrobe stylist. How to shop for free. You ready? And it's so simple. It's credit. Credit, honey. Yes, credit cards are going to be your key to shopping for free. All right? And please be responsible. All right? So, with credit cards, it's a win-win. Okay? You take your card, you go shopping, you bring it to the client. What they keep, you invoice them for. What you don't keep or what they don't keep, you return back to the store. So it's actually improving your credit at the same time. You're not spending your own money and you're building. You're building. All right. As you build 6 months to a year, your credit limit increases, then it increases. I literally started 6 years ago with a credit limit, I believe, of $1,000. Now I'm at $10,000 on one card, okay? So what I'm saying is, as long as you use that same card, you stay consistent with payments. So you have to be responsible again. So if you have this $10,000 credit card, don't use it for other things. Keep it strictly for your personal shopping. And that way you know it will be paid off, okay? So here's some credit cards to help get you started, even if you have bad credit, okay? Okay, so the first card is a secured card. All right, so this is for my starters, my newbies who may have limited to zero credit. You would put a deposit down on the card, okay? So the Discover It secured card is a good one, and they give 1 to 2% back, cash back, all right? You would put either $500 down to $1,000 down, and then that will be your credit limit, okay? So you'll use that card strictly for personal shopping, all right? And as you develop and as you get good and as you grow, you then, of course, will create a great credit history, a great score, and you'll be able to maybe apply for other cards with Discover that'll give you a higher limit that you didn't have to put anything down for. All right, so again, a win-win, and you're shopping for free. Okay, so another great card for you to use to shop for free would be an unsecured credit card. So you don't want to use your own money, right? You will be able to get, because these cards, they sometimes help for those with bad credit to no credit, but their interest is super high. So I'm going to tell you a secret for that. All right. So you read your terms and conditions, and let's say interest hits on the 28th of each month. All right. So that means you would have to schedule your appointments for your personal shopping at least a week before the 28th, okay? And that's because returns sometimes take 5 to 7 days to hit your card. All right, so you want to make sure you have plenty of time, that all the monies are back on the card before interest hits, and that way you avoid all the interest. Yes, so again, you're shopping for free. So some good cards for an unsecured card with bad credit would be Credit One and the Milestone credit cards, okay? So they offer, again, it's high interest, but again, you're shopping, you're returning, and you're doing this before the interest hits. But please read your terms and conditions to ensure that you're not overly charged and that you're not paying out of pocket, okay? But that's a great way to shop for free. All right, another option for my beginners for personal shopping with limited to no credit, or you're just starting out, would be store credit cards. Go directly to the source. All right, so with the store credit cards, they're more inclined to approve you okay? Because they want you to shop there, of course. So you can go to like Dillard's, Target, Walmart, even Kohl's. Kohl's is a great one. And you'll be able to get a credit card through them. And then you could pull for your client there. All right. And again, same method. Pull the looks, take it to the client. What they love, you invoice them for. What they don't love, you return. And they usually do have a higher interest too. So just again, read those terms and make sure you do everything before that interest hits. All right. So I really, really hope this helps you. Please let me know if you have any questions, if you want me to dig a little deeper. But that is the key to shopping for free. Credit cards, baby.